Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now we all love a nice hot bowl of noodles, and today that's what we're going to see, a lovely spicy chicken noodle recipe. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. First I'm going to marinate the chicken pieces. For the chicken noodles I've taken 500 grams of chicken pieces. For this, take 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons vinegar. Now instead of vinegar, you can also use lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon pepper. Mix everything together.